Lukas Imler, a 26-year-old chemistry student from Germany, ranks among the best of his sport. So does his slackline partner, 34-year-old science journalist and crime author Rainer Kleindl of Austria. For 2 years, the two slackline pros have worked towards this momentous day, attempting to become the first men to cross the 100-metre wide gorge of the Victoria Falls, walking upright. They approached the 1.7-kilometre wide waterfall by boat, following the footsteps of its explorer. The toss of a coin decided who of the two men would cross the falls first, and the Austrian, Rainer Kleindl, it was. And so it's begun, balancing on a 1-inch wide webbing in vertigo, right in front of the world-famous Victoria Falls. Almost exactly 159 years after Scottish missionary David Livingstone was the first European to view the largest curtain of water, the Austrian seemed undisturbed by the inevitable soaking from the falls, and despite a few shaky moments, made the crossing, much to the delight of his pal Lukas Imler. It was then the turn of the German, who looked in complete control throughout his crossing, even having time for a few tricks for the onlookers. The man from Germany made it across, and 2 years of planning had paid off, as the two Europeans became the first to walk across the staggering Victoria Falls.